What we have here is a Dana 35 out of the Mrs. 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It was removed because it made a lot of noise, a lot of grumbling. Now, previously I'd said how you had changed the fluid, so there was nothing in here, no major chunks, so that's good. We have, hang it. We've taken the keeper bolt out. We've slid the centering pin out. We pushed the axles in and let the C-clips drop for these C-clip axles that are in here. What we haven't done is determine exactly where the noise is coming from. We need to pull the guts out, pull the entire diff out, and isolate the pinion and spin this and see if we hear any noises. We then need to inspect the bearings here, which will be replaced. We will not be, if we don't have to, we will not touch that pinion. If anybody has done work on pinions already, you know why I'm not touching that. If the pinion has no noise, we're not messing with it. We will pull all the spider gears out. We will inspect the thrust bearings and the mating surfaces. Make sure we have good contact, good surfaces, no noises. We may be able to get away with just doing outer bearings and seals and new carrier bearings. Yeah, carrier bearings. And freshening up everything. Let me put you guys down, get a little bit of work done, and bring you back when we got something more to show you. All right? See you in a few. All right. Went to pull this shaft out, and I think we found our culprit. Right there. Let's get you a little closer, get you a better view of the carnage. Wow. Something tells me that axle shaft is shot. Well, I don't know how good you can see the stupid glare. All right. Focus. See how shot that is? I have never seen an axle shaft that bad. We still are gonna pull a diff just to make sure, clean up the bearings, double check. I do have new bearings for that, and the pinion just in case, you never know. I know just in case, I went to school with him. Very unpredictable guy. So, we have found our problem. See, my little earthquake is up to it. Let me show you guys something. Someone was in here before. Someone had these caps off. That means this dip was out. So we are going to pull this out and double check it. Make sure everything is good with it before we put it back in. All right. Gives us a chance to look at the bearing races. They are discolored. All right. We have our normal shims. but they're going to go in the bucket that I have down here with the diff. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. East guy, a little crunchy. So we're going to do a full rebuild. Let's see if I can get you in there to show you that. That's RTV. That's RTV. It shouldn't be there. Why is that there? What stories does this axle have to tell me? What stories? Why is there red RTV in there? Anybody tell me? I see blue RTV in here. Yep. Blue RTV. Yummy. Normally you gotta hammer that thing out. But in my case, it fell out. I don't know. Pinion looks pretty worn. All right. Don't like the looks of that bearing. Good thing we're changing this all out. Yep. Culprit number 2. All right. We have pulled the pinion and the bearing races, only to find this in our outer. You think that would make some noise? I think it would. It's a good thing we're tearing this guy down all the way. I thank you guys for stopping by, listening to me ramble, watch me tear apart this and look at the carnage, and go from a budget build to a complete rebuild in a couple easy steps. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give us a big thumbs up. Helps us out a lot. Doesn't cost you a thing. And, well, yeah, I guess I gotta close up here, and we shall see you guys on the next one.